Hi everyone, today I would like to explain about the coding part of our microprocessor assignment. Our title is the Smart Features in Toilets. We use joystick as input and the LED on mbed NXP LPC 1768 will show the output. We use up buttons of the joystick as the PIR sensor, down buttons as thermal sensor, left button as IR sensor, and lastly right button as the ultrasonic sensor. So as you can see, the port we use are port 0, port 1 and 2. Port 0 is for input and port 1 and 2 are for output. So here is the area of the declaration. The pin mode is used to activate the joystick. And here shows the conditions for the up, down, left and right button to press. Besides, we also use delay to prevent the LED from flashing. So now I'm going to debug the program and run it. So firstly, we set all the input to 0. Okay, at port 0, the pin 0.23 is set for up button. So when we tick the pin 0.23, which means that the up button is pressed, it comes out the output at P1.18. This can be explained when the person gets into the washroom, the PIR sensor will switch on the light automatically. Okay, the temperature of the washroom always remain at the room temperature, corresponding to the red light at pin 2.2. Thus, the pin 0.17 is set for down button. So when the down button is pressed, the output occurs at pin 1.20. Once the temperature sensor detects the low temperature in washroom, the red light will change to green light, just like what shows at pin 2.3, and the water heater will be turned on. Next, the pin 0.15 is turned on. It is set for the left button. So when the left button is pressed, it comes out with the output at P1.21. According to this situation, the automatic flush system is activated once the IR sensor have detected the presence before and after leaving the toilet bowl or toilet seat. So lastly, the pin 0.24 is set for right button, which is for the ultrasonic sensor. When the right button is pressed, the output will appear at the pin 1.23. We can say that when the object or any obstacle approach to the tap at a certain distance, the water will flow out from the tap immediately. So that's it for our code. Thank you.
Okay, this is our application board. We got a joystick, RGB light, and the middle one, which is mbed NXP LPC 1768. So we got those four smart feature in our toilet. So this smart feature will be used at the joystick, which have up, down, left, right buttons. So when the up button is pressed, it comes out the output at P1.18. This can be explained when the person gets into the washroom. The PIR sensor will switch on the light automatically. Next, the temperature of washroom always remains at room temperature, correspond to red light. So, when the down button is pressed, the output occurs at P1.20. Once the temperature sensor detects the low temperature in washroom, the red light will change to green light. Thus, the water heater will be turned on automatically. Next, come to the left button. When the left button is pressed, the output appears at P1.21. According to this situation, the automatic flush system is activated once the IR sensor have detected the person before and after leaving the toilet seat. Lastly, the right button, which means this is ultrasonic sensor. When the right button is pressed, the output appears at P1.23. It can be said that when the object or any obstacle approach to the tap at a certain distance, the water will flow out from the taps immediately.